Good morning, Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan here, your English teacher. This time I have taken the chapter, the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. So, about Robert Frost was a great poet, and his theme of the poem always were very simple and common things were there, as here dust of snow. Here is an experience when the poet was passing away, and he was passing under a tree. So on that tree a crow was sitting, and when he was passing, then he was in sad mood and he was upset, as he was thinking that he had spent his day waste, means he had wasted his day, and he had done nothing. At the sudden moment, uh, dust of snow was fallen down from the tree, and it was shaken by a crow. Then this moment had changed his mood, and he had thought that yes, he had not wasted his day, but he has got something that he could not explain. Have you experienced a similar moment that changed your mood that day? So this had happened with the poet when he was passing. जब वो एक पेड़ के नीचे से गुजर रहा था, then he was in sad mood, he was upset, and then at the sudden moment a crow had fallen dust of snow from the tree, and he had shaken it from the tree. So that the touch of that ice had made the poet very happy, and he thought that he had not wasted his time, his day. Now, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Now, see here the crow, because nobody likes crow, because crow is black also, and he doesn't sing. So here negativity is here, and hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. So here we can say that nature gives a lot. We can change our mood in the surrounding of nature, in the company of nature. So here another message is there, that we can get positivity in the negative things, like poet has got. When he was passing, then a crow was there. As crow is always being in black color, and he doesn't sing anything, means nothing is there. We always think that, but even a crow has changed the mood of the poet by shaking dust of snow, and it was there on the head of the poet, and it was from the tree that was poisonous tree, hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood. So the poet is saying that snow that was fallen down upon my head, that had changed my mood and saved my part of day I had bitterly regretted, that I had wasted my time. So here if we talk about rhyming scheme, then here crow, me, snow, tree, means A B A B. So crow and snow will be AA, and me, tree will be BB. So AB AB. Again hurt, mood, part, rude. Again AB AB. So rhyming scheme is AB AB. So here this poem represents a moment that seems simple but has a larger significance. Comparing thinking other things, as Robert Frost has says, always a larger significance. It means a little thing touches a larger thing, that is his mood, means only the moment when he had got the dust of snow, and only the particles of snow that had been fallen upon his head from the tree, those particles of snow had changed his mood. So here we can say that nature gives us a lot. We have to think that what we can get from nature, and here positivity in negative things also, as crow has been here referred, and hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree, and crow is a bird that is black and having harsh voice. Okay, students, I hope you would had if you you would have understood well. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.